Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix your Apple ID account which cannot be created at this time. If it showed you something like this, how you can actually fix it. What you need to do is just go to your home screen and you need to put your phone into airplane mode and reset your phone via airplane mode. And after putting your phone into airplane mode, reset it, get it back, and afterwards you need to go to your settings, and under the settings option you need to go to the journal option, and under journal option make sure your time is automatically set to your time zone. And one more thing which you need to consider before fixing this is just go to your settings, and under the settings you need to go to the you just need to go to the general, and under the general you need to check your VPN, as if your VPN is connected to any other state or country, you need to disable it as the original one. Now what you need to do is you just need to go to the settings, and under the settings, as you can see, there are three ways you can create your account. If it isn't working in the one way, you can try another. For example, the one way you can create the account is just like here, and under the sign in security you can actually sign up or sign in your add a phone number, email in your Apple account. You can sign up from here. Another way, if it isn't working from the general settings, you need to go to the App Store, and under the App Store you just tap on the right corner here, and a panel like this will come up, and you can actually sign up from here easily from your App Store. And third, and the most easiest way you can sign up, just go to your Safari browser, and under the Safari browser you need to open a website, account dot apple dot com. This is the website which you need to go. Just open this website. Interface like this will come up. Under the Apple account section here, just tap on this option, and it will show you something like this. Here, the create your Apple account, and an interface like this will come up. You need to fill the information of yours, and it will instantly create your account. You can actually create your account even from your laptop by going to this Apple account, and you can put your email like for Gmail or any other here to make an Apple account on your Gmail. So that's how you can actually make your Apple account, and I hope all these methods gonna fix the issue if you're not able to create your Apple account and this time. I hope this video helped a lot in fixing the issue. If still it isn't able to fix, please let me know and I'll try to figure out and make another video to sort your issue. Until next thing, bye bye.